Fraternities! Attention!
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this spectacular day, the galaxy of thinkers and achievers. Honorable guests, dear teachers, and beloved students. How beautiful is this day? Because it not only marks the installation of student council to their workplace, but also it symbolizes education and its importance in our lives. Thus, dear audience, you may eventually discover the beauty of this wonderful day as the event gradually starts to blossom. To mark this down, the investiture ceremony of academic session 2021-22 begins. Now we request Gurman and Adisha to pass on the flags to the newly elected head boy and the head girl.
March Past is all about synchronization and teamwork, marching in a contingent that demands alertness and unspoken coordination. Now, our newly elected student council will be marching proudly with a sense of duty and pride on their heads.
Student Council, Fraternities! Attention! Student Council, right down! Leaders, take position! Student Council, in the file of 3 by 3, march, begin!
Investiture means a formal investment of a person with authority, power, right and dignity. It is indeed rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Investiture ceremony is a traditional feature of Smart Wonders, eagerly awaited by all the students of the school. Year after year, it reminds us of the trust and confidence that we repose in a newly elected cabinet. Moving forward, I take pride in getting this opportunity to welcome all the distinguished guests on this special occasion. Thus, I, Amani, on behalf of our school, would like to give a gracious welcome to our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Poonamjeet Kaur, and our School Vice Principal, Mrs. Raina Chona of Senior Wing, respected teachers, and my fellow mates. Thank you all for joining us on this beautiful and inspiring day. Dear God, into your hands we place our worries, cares and troubles. Into your wisdom we place our path, direction and goals. Into your love we place our lives. So let us begin this day remembering the Almighty to seek His blessings with a prayer presented by the school choir.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior's above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, precious reviving again, over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing. Come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
Now, I would like to invite our Vice Principal, Mrs. Raina Chana, to say a few words on this auspicious ceremony.
Good morning, one and all present here. Respected Principal Poonamjit Kaur, teachers, and my lovely children. I'm so happy and glad that we are able to induct our council for this session 2021-22, despite having COVID situation. And we waited for the day when all children would be in school, and then we are going to have our investiture ceremony. Last year also, we had created our council, and they have done a wonderful job during online classes. And now we are back to school in a hybrid mode, and I'm sure newly installed council is also going to play its role in maintaining discipline and in other areas of the school. There were around 80 students who had applied for various posts in the council, and 42 members are selected. Selection process comprised of written test, interview, and after that a rubric was created for certain parameters like discipline, behavior, academic performance, participation in various events. On the basis of that, children were selected. We are proud of our members who are all selected here, and I'm sure they are going to play their role in bringing laurels to school. Important lessons in life all of us had learnt in school, like we teachers. And sure, you people are also learning those lessons here. I still remember in my drawing class, one day I was trying my hand at painting, watercolor painting. What I did, I just dipped my brush in paint and I started making my drawing, and water splashed everywhere, colors were everywhere. I could not get anything what I was making. Then my drawing teacher, he came and he told me that you need to create a foundation, a boundary. You need to make a framework. Only then your colors will be in place. It was an important lesson that I learned that day. Till date, you won't believe it, although I'm not very good at drawing and painting, but I learned that lesson that day, that whatever I want to do, my foundation, my framework is very important, and this is what I'm doing. Similarly, you people also, all the council members are going to learn beautiful lessons here, lessons of leadership, communication, how to work with people, the most difficult task, and teamwork. So I'm sure that you are going to be fulfilling this role in a responsible manner and going to be our future leaders. Thank you so much. All the very best to all.
If you don't show appreciation to those that deserve it, they'll learn to stop doing things you appreciate. I would now like to invite our worthy Poonamjeet Kaur and Honorable Raina Chona to pin up the badges so as to instill in the newly elected school council the sense of duty and pride.
Of the school. He is a passionate learner with potential of breathing life into his aspirations and strongly believes that success is some of all the small efforts repeated day in and day out. We wish him a grand success.
Shall we face this way? Come closer, beta. Come closer. You are taking picture.
Walking forward proudly is Kangan Kuman to take over as the new head girl. She has this charm and aura about her which is so positive. She's a great dancer and actively participates in every competition. Sincere congratulations on a hard-earned success.
Next, we move on to the all-rounder Madhav Bharadwaj, the newly elected deputy head boy. No one needs to second guess his caliber. He's hardworking and diligent. Also a future programmer. Congratulations on this post, Madhav.
Here comes Noor, our deputy head girl, a strong leader, effective communicator, and polished public speaker. She has an outstanding personality with an intellectual mind. Warmest congratulations on her achievement. Give a big round of applause for Tanveer, the culture captain of SWS, a boy with supportive, caring and fair attitude. He surely has positive leadership and organizational skills. Heartfelt congratulations to you.
Now we would like to welcome Navya Chaudhary as the cultural captain. We are confident that you'll shine more in your new role than you already do. Congratulations on your new achievement, Navya.
Next we have Jaskaran Singh, our newly elected Deputy Cultural Captain. He is a joyful person with an innovative mind. Congratulations on your well-deserved post. Stepping forward, we have our newly elected Deputy Cultural Captain Gurleen Kaur Brar, a person with a positive and optimistic attitude with sharp mind and vast thinking. Congratulations, Gurleen. Now we have Prabjot Kaur, the new IT captain of our school, with amazing collaboration and critical thinking skills. She is a very humble and generous natured girl. Congratulations on this achievement, Prabjot. There we go with Pulkit Verma as the Deputy IT Captain of our school, whose responsible and reliable nature has brought him so far. He is an amazing person with great self-confidence. Congratulations, Pulkit, and best of luck for future.
Following the trade is the new sports captain Tavi Singh. He is a committed sportsman and has made valuable contribution to our school sport team. We wish him best of everything in life. Manmeet Kaur now steps as the newly elected sports captain of the school. She is a passionate sports person and endears everyone with her sweetness, but at the same time possesses rock-solid determination. We wish her grand success.
Now let's welcome our Deputy Sports Captain Kanavjit Gudara. We are all pleased with his participation in the field of sports. Heartfelt congratulations to you. Now we have the Sugampreet Kaur as our newly elected Deputy Sports Captain. We are really pleased the way she stays determined and calm during challenging times. Congratulations, Sugam.
Here comes Kangana Verma, the literary captain of 2021. A girl with a creative and innovative mind who always tries to achieve her goals with stern determination. Congratulations, Kangana. Coming forward now is Avanya, our Deputy Literary Captain. An enthusiastic and positive soul, Avanya has the capability to deal and handle the junior students and is an all-rounder. Congratulations, Avanya.
Now, next we have Avishi Agarwal, the Deputy Literary Captain. She is as sharp as a tack. Congratulations on the new role, Avishi. Though we don't have her here, congratulations, Avishi.
Now comes the captain of Aspen House, Yuvraj Singh, whose leadership skills and teamwork embracing nature has made his Aspen House proud. Good luck for this position, Yuvraj. Stepping forward now is Prableen Kaur as the Aspen House captain. Her polite nature and clear judgments have made her excel in not only academics but also in the race of life. Congratulations on this wonderful achievement, Prableen.
Following the train is the Deputy House Captain Harkaran Singh. He is an enthusiastic person and always believes teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success. We wish him a grand success. Give a big round of applause for our new Deputy Aspen House Captain Ishika Sari. She works independently and is a self-motivated student. Congratulations on your well-deserved.
He's a keen learner and a gem of a person. Congratulations on this achievement, Sahaj. Next, we have Damita Sethi, the Sidar House captain. She is never scared to take risks, and I feel that's the reason why she deserves this post even more. Congratulations on her win.
Now we have our new house captain for the Cedar House, Rajwan Singh. He is a positive and a joyful person. Though he is not present with us today, congratulations on our behalf. Now comes Sonia Singh, the deputy captain of Cedar House. She is an excellent speaker who has represented her house in various competitions and events. Congratulations, Sonia.
Next comes our Maple House captain, Angad Singh Randhawa, the boy with power to rise above any situation and deliver the best results no matter the circumstances. Sincere congratulations to you. Here comes Anya Patial, the Maple House captain, the owner of an innovative and extraordinary mind. She is kind and caring. Well done and best wishes for future.
There we go to the Maple House Deputy Captain, Jisnu Khurana. He is very optimistic and resourceful. He is truly a born leader. Good luck for future, Jisnu. Here we come to Samaira Sharma, the Maple House Deputy Captain of Smart Wonder School, who has a determined nature and excellent presentation skills. Congratulations on this success, Samaira, even though you're not here.
Give a big round of applause for our new Oak House captain, Jitesh Puri, one of the most polite and sincere boys I know. He is a passionate learner and tries to give his best in every field. Congratulations for your success. Stepping forward now is Sarayu Reddy as Deputy House Captain of the school. She is a free-spirited person with a wonderful personality. Good luck for future.
Coming forward, we have Arshnur Singh, the Deputy House Captain of Oak House. He has good leadership qualities and always stays calm. Congratulations, Arshnur. Now I welcome Ridhima Pandey, the Deputy Oak House Captain. She is very polite and has all the qualities a good leader has. Congratulations for your success.
Coming forward now is Banveer Singh, the disciplined captain, the most sincere and competent boy. He is kind and no doubt a great role model. Congratulations on a well-deserved post. Now I welcome Gauri Gupta, the disciplined captain girl of SWS. She has an excellent art and craft skills. She is the proof that good things come to those who are willing to sacrifice to reach a worthwhile goal. Congratulations.
Now, next is Jasraj Singh, the Vice Captain Discipline. He is a considerate and helpful person. Congratulations. Next we have Kishreen Kaur, Vice Discipline Captain. Stepping into a new position is an exciting feat. May you thrive in the challenges and joys it brings your way. Congratulations, your persistence and hard work paid off.
Now I call upon stage Muskan Chadda, the Discipline Secretary of our school, whose hard work and innovative brain has made her excel in both studies as well as arts. Congratulations on this grand success, Muskan. There we go with Mehek Chadda as the second Discipline Secretary, whose omnific mind and sheer determination to work have brought her so far. Heartiest congratulations to you, Mehek. And finally, we have the third Discipline Secretary of our school, Muskan Seth, whose diligent mind and gratituding nature have made her truly deserve this post. Congratulations, Muskan.
Now we welcome Sehajpreet Kaur, the Deputy Secretary of the Discipline Team. She is truly deserving for this position. Her rock-hard determination is the way to excel in every walk of life. Congratulations on this new post, Sehaj.
Here comes the second Deputy Secretary, Lavanya, the most enthusiastic soul and joyful person by nature. Well done and best wishes for future.
I request everyone to take pledge position and Gurmanpreet Singh Tiwana to deliver the oath.
Student Council, attention! Pledge position.
I pledge I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in school activities and will drive hard to bring glory to it. As a council member, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. We will endeavor to be a confident, competent and caring member of our school, family, society and the nation. I vow that I will carry out all the duties entrusted on me with courage and conviction. Thank you.
like to invite our esteemed principal to say a few words in order to encourage the efforts of the Student Council.
Everyone, I can't hear anyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you for being here on this wonderful occasion. I would like to thank everybody present on this ground, students, staff, housekeeping, for making this event a success. I want all of you to understand that this is not a day's celebration. This is a process that started quite some time back, and if we were not in the middle of COVID, it would have started sometime in July. And as Raina ma'am had mentioned that it started with your written test, your interviews, I would like to say that it was a privilege for me to be a part of this process, because I got to meet all of you online during the interviews and offline as well. It gave me an opportunity to know you as a person, because unfortunately I do not get to interact with the students as much as I would like to. So thank you, Raina ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this process and to make sure that I was also contributing a little bit to our future leaders. What we need to understand is that a school is not just about education, it's not just about learning about different subjects, be it English, social studies, science. It's about the life skills. And being a member of the council or not being a member of the council, both will teach you very important life skills for life. It is very important for all the students sitting here to understand that you all are contributing to the success of not only this event but to the school's process. Whether you are a council member or not, you are an integral and very important part of the school. But definitely the students of the council had performed, we had certain criteria. So we have a new head boy and head girl. Let's give them a big round of applause. And of course, we have our house captains, vice captains, we've got the IT, we've got the literary team, we've got the cultural team, and we've got the team discipline, which seems to be a very important team also. So it is very important that all of us work together. Nothing is successful if we do not contribute how much ever little we think it might be. Today, if you see this event, see all the things around you, see the balloons in the trees, see the flowers on the table, see the mats on which you are sitting. Every single thing was done by somebody who is not being named here. So everything needs teamwork. All the students of Smart Wonder School need to understand that we believe in teamwork. So all of you need to work together. As leaders, you have to foster the spirit of teamwork. That is what a good leader does, leads by example. So I'm sure that all of you will be doing that. I would of course especially like to thank the activity teachers, Mr. Jaideep, Preeti ma'am, Sandeep sir. I don't know whether you know that he's been very, very unwell, and he's literally come from the hospital to the school to help us make this day a success. Kiran ma'am, and of course we have Gurmeet ma'am and Amika also. So both the ma'ams have helped make this event a success. And I think the biggest thank you, of course we have our State Department always to help us out, our housekeeping, Mr. Manpreet at the drop of a hat, our operations manager, ensures that everything is in its place. However, all of this has been tied together by Raina ma'am, who has ensured that because of her dynamic leadership, everything that needs to be done is done. So thank you so much, ma'am. I did not have to give her a big round of applause, and everyone. So very conveniently I left everything to ma'am and I said, please go ahead and do everything because I know that she will be doing it. And all of you students, every single one, even the audience, is ensuring that this event is a success. I am so grateful that you all have honored me and that I am a part of the school as a principal at this very moment, and to have all of you sitting here. It is my privilege and honor. Thank you so much. All the staff members sitting here, without you, the students would not get the guidance that they need. So we are the ones who are providing the guidance and ensuring that these children become the best future of our nation. So all the best to all of you children, the council members, all the students who are sitting here, the staff members, thank you so much. Everybody who's sitting here, parents, thank you so much. Sir, thank you for being a part of our audience, because it matters. When we see our children doing so well, I think we are on the right path. Thank you so much, everyone. The housekeeping staff, I can see our Didis. I know that they've been working since morning. Thank you, Didis. आपके बिना ये कोई भी इवेंट कभी भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता. आप सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत करते हो, हमारे दीदीज और भैयास. थैंक यू.
Now the school choir will present an inspirational song to motivate our council. A newly elected head boy and head girl to deliver a speech on this special occasion.
Progress and working together is success. A very good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Ineshwi Singh, stand here as the head boy of this prestigious institution. First of all, I would like to thank the entire school management who have shown immense faith in me by giving me the opportunity to serve as the head boy. Something I have dreamt of since my primary school days, when I realized the importance of this coveted title. Friends, a school is not only an infrastructure, but it's a paradise to build the future. The things taught in school are not only to gain education, but to become skillful for life. We must also remember that a team is like a tool set. One tool cannot do all the jobs, but all the tools together can achieve something incredible. Things change when everyone in the team is equally invested in the overall purpose and goal. You find yourself working faster, finding flaws more easily, and innovating better solutions. So, let's pledge to go hand in hand and work with team spirit to imbibe the vision of a school, confident, competent, and caring among the students. Thank you.
Years ago, when I first joined this school, I was excited but slightly nervous as I didn't know where the steps would lead me. However, once I took a step forward, there was no turning back. Through these years, the walls of the school have seen the laugh and tears in my eyes, the chaos and calm in my head, my success and failures both as a student and an individual. However, what proved to be a constant anchor through those times was the unconditional love, support and nurturing the school had to share. I certainly believe that I could not have been half the student or the leader I am had those elements not been present. I sincerely thank all the teachers who have made me transform from the poor little kindergartner into the strong, independent person I am today. This council body is utterly grateful for being granted the opportunity to continue the legacy of my predecessors along with my co-head in Ashweer. Thank you so much for your time and I wish you all have a great year ahead. Now we have our class. Applause.
स्कूल बंद है, कैंटीन बंद है, दोस्त नहीं है मिल सकते,
हॉल बंद है, मॉल बंद है, मॉल नहीं है कर सकते,
गली बंद है, शहर बंद है, सड़क देखो तो खाली,
सांस भी लो तो मास्क पहनकर, सांस लेने पर भी पाबंदी।
तो सुन लो गाइस, बात डीप है पर है सादी।
पाबंदी, 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 पाबंदी।
सुनो सुनो सुनो, स्कूल के बच्चों सुनो, 1.5 साल बाद आए हो, डिस्टेंस बना के रखो।
एक शब्द है लैटिन भाषा का जिसका अर्थ है मुकुट। अरे 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 कहना क्या चाहते हो?
अरे इनके कहने का अर्थ है कोरोना, जो आज के हमारे नाटक का भी विषय है।
कोरोना?
जी हाँ, ये है एक ऐसा वायरस जो है तो बहुत माइन्यूट, पर कर रखा है इसने हम सबके सिस्टम को डाइल्यूट।
पिछले साल चीन में हुई इसकी शुरुआत, 70 देशों में फैलाया इसने अपना कोहरा। कईयों ने खोए अपने करीबी, बचाई कोविड ने बहुत गरीबी।
1.5 साल बाद हुआ इसका असर थोड़ा कम, खुल रहे हैं स्कूल कॉलेजेस अब हरदम। 1.5 साल बाद आए स्कूल हम सब, प्रभावित हुआ हमारा जीवन हर पल। खराब हो गया दिमाग घर बैठे, आओ चले सब स्कूल मिलके। अब है ये हम सबका कर्तव्य, स्कूल या बाहर जाए कहीं भी, पहने मास्क और सैनिटाइज करें खुद को हम सभी।
तो अब इस विषय पर हम सब आपके लिए एक नाटक पेश करने जा रहे हैं। आशा है कि आप सबको पसंद आएगा।
इस समय ना किसी के घर जाओ,
ना किसी को अपने घर बुलाओ,
क्योंकि अतिथि रिस्की भव।
नमस्कार देवी और सज्जनों, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि कोविड के केस काफी कम होने लगे हैं। इसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए सरकार ने स्कूल खोलने का फैसला किया है। जैसा कि कल हमारे शिक्षा मंत्री ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की कि सारे भारत में 9वीं से 12वीं कक्षा के स्कूल 15 सितंबर से खुल जाएंगे। परंतु हमें ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि कोरोना की तीसरी लहर के आने की शंका अभी भी बरकरार है। धन्यवाद।
गौर से देखिए इस दरिंदे को, यही है वो जिसने दुनिया में कोहराम मचाया है। लॉकडाउन में बच्चों की पढ़ाई का बहुत नुकसान हुआ, पर हमें याद रखना चाहिए कि कोविड का खतरा भी गया नहीं है और अब वक्त है सावधानी बरतने का।
बचाव ही इलाज है, ये समझाना है।
कोरोना से हमको नहीं घबराना है। और बच्चों कैसे हो?
हम बढ़िया हैं, आप बताओ।
अरे अरे बेटा, कोविड प्रिकॉशन की वजह से नीचे जाना बिल्कुल मना है। आप क्या जानो? शट अप। बहुत अच्छे, इतने देर बाद स्कूल आया तो क्या मैंने स्कूल गए हो? तो बच्चों, आप सबको इसी तरह कोविड प्रिकॉशंस फॉलो करने हैं। अब आप जाकर अपना खाना खा सकते हैं।
और बताओ?
खाने में क्या लाए हो?
मैं तो मैगी और मैंगो लाया हूँ।
ये क्या हो रहा है बच्चों? आपका डिस्टेंस कहाँ है? और खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धोकर आओ।
अरे भाई, जितनी देर में तू हाथ धोएगा ना, उतनी देर में तो ब्रेक ही खत्म हो जाएगी।
हमें हाथ हमेशा अच्छी तरह धोने चाहिए।
धोते
जाओ, धोते जाओ, धोते जाओ, धोते जाओ। नहीं सक्षम, कोविड-19 जनित में जारी है। नो ब्रो, शेयरिंग इज स्प्रेडिंग।
खाना शेयर कर दे।
भाई तू भी क्या
घर से निकलते समय इस बात का ध्यान रखें,
सैनिटाइजर, मास्क और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग अपने साथ रखें। जब भी अपने घर वापस जाता है तो उसको अपने सर में हल्का हल्का दर्द महसूस होता है। उसको लगता है कि शायद ये धूप में खेलने की वजह से हुआ। मैम, मेरा बेटा भी आज बहुत बीमार है तो स्कूल नहीं आ पाएगा। कोई बात नहीं मैम, ठीक है।
इसी दौरान सक्षम स्कूल जाता है और सबके संपर्क में रहता है, और वही अरमान सबसे दूर रहता है और कोविड के सारे नॉर्म्स फॉलो करता है। कोरोना को अगर हराना है,
हाथ किसी से नहीं मिलाना है। मैम, पिछले कुछ दिनों से बच्चों ने डर के कारण ऑनलाइन मोड पर स्विच करना शुरू कर दिया, क्योंकि मेरी क्लास में 2 बच्चे बीमार हैं और घर पर शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी। जैसा आपको पता है कि हमने आपको यहाँ कोविड टेस्ट के लिए बुलाया है, तो अब हम शुरू करें।
सब बच्चों को कोविड टेस्ट हो जाते हैं।
लेकिन मैम, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मेरे स्टूडेंट्स पूरी सावधानी बरत रहे थे। सर, हो सकता है स्कूल के दौरान आपके कुछ छात्र लापरवाह रहे होंगे और कोविड के संपर्क में आए। इससे अधिक संपर्क होगा और इन्फेक्शन फैलेगी।
बहुत दुख की बात है कि कोरोना केसेस आने की वजह से स्कूल दोबारा बंद हो गए।
और भाई, कैसी लगी
आगे स्वाद कैसा लग रहा है अपने दोस्तों से दूर होकर, अपने करीबियों से दूर होकर? मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया।
Staying away from everyone was not sharing your feelings and keeping yourself away in a corner leads to sadness and loneliness.
तुमने मेरे और मेरे दोस्तों की जिंदगी का सारा मजा छीन लिया। हमने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा था? तुम्हारे जैसे लोग मेरा काम और आसान कर देते हैं। मास्क न डालना, हाथ न धोना, सैनिटाइजर न यूज करना, ये चीजें मुझे और भी अच्छी लगती हैं।
अरे यार, ये तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, इतने कम समय में इतना सब कैसे हो सकता है?
मैंने तो तुम सबको कहा ही था, डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करो, मास्क पहनो और हाथ सैनिटाइज करो। अब पता चला एक बच्चे की वजह से हम सबको कितना असर पड़ सकता है।
ओहो, मुझसे इतनी बड़ी भूल होगी। मैं एक वेक्टर बन के घूम रहा था, अब मैं गवर्नमेंट के दिए गए सारे नियमों का पालन करूंगा।
गलती, ये तो मेरे वरदान जैसा था।
देखा आप सबने, एक गलती की वजह से कितना सब कुछ हो गया। अब ये तुम्हारा कर्तव्य है कि तुम सारी सावधानियां बरतो। और एक एडवाइस, तुम्हें संतुलित आहार खाना चाहिए और अपने दोस्तों और अपने परिवार के साथ भी वक्त बिताना चाहिए।
गलती जानबूझकर नहीं होती,
लेकिन लापरवाही होती है।
आओ 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 कोरोना, तुम्हें सैनिटाइज करके मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगा।
जब मास्क, साबुन और सैनिटाइजर है साथ, तो इससे डरने की क्या है बात?
दूर रहो।
हम सब साथ मिलकर तुम्हें मार ही देंगे।
नहीं, आगे नहीं, वो छोड़ दो।
आप सबने देखा कि कैसे इन बच्चों की लापरवाही से पूरे स्कूल को नुकसान भुगतना पड़ गया। एक छोटी सी गलती की वजह से इन बच्चों को कोरोना जैसी महामारी हो।
इसीलिए टीचर्स और डॉक्टर्स हमें कहते हैं कि हमें मास्क पहने रखना चाहिए, अपने हाथों को सैनिटाइज करते रहना चाहिए और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बनाए रखनी चाहिए।
And patience you have shown today.
At last, I would like to congratulate all the council members on their victory. Keep believing in yourself and hard work. More achievements are yet to come. Coming to the end of the day, on behalf of my team, I wish you happiness, success and peace. Have a bright